question asks to represent the LRC circuit below in the S domain under two different conditions, two different supplies. One where E is ut, which is a step function, and the other, part B, where E, the source, is 10 e to the minus 2t. Okay, so starting with part A. Where E is ut, and what that means is that at time 0 the circuit is switched on. There's a switch that supplies it with energy. In the S domain, this is represented, let me just draw the supply here, as 1 over S. You can use a table to look that up. Now the resistor, under whatever condition, is just itself, nothing changes, it's R. And the inductor becomes LS. Now because this is a switch, there's no initial energy, so nothing else needs to go into this branch. Usually we would put a initial energy in terms of the inductor, it would be Li 0, because inductors are current controlled. But there was no energy applied initially, so we leave it just with the inductor. The same is true for the capacitor. The capacitance is now expressed as 1 divided by CS. Okay, so that's part A. Part B. E is now 10 to the exponential minus 2t. Again, looking up a table to see what that would be. Would have the 10 as a magnitude on the top, and it's S plus A, or rather S minus A, which in this case is S plus 2. So that's now the source. Here we do have an initial energy, because we draw this. It starts at 10 and it decays. So the inductor has its own source, initial, so Li, initial energy. The R is just R. Again, this is 1 over CS. And it also has a small energy source that represents the initial energy, and capacitors are voltage. Are voltage controlled. Okay, so this is part A and part B. Hope that made sense.